So, as I said earlier, community ownership is critical. Equally, we need to strengthen the operations and the logistics. If we don't have enough financing for the SHI, then the implementation will not be seamless. Equally, we need to address the logistics challenges that may arise during that. One of the challenges that I have seen Kenyans talking about is the Linda Mama. And before coming even before you, honorable members, it was raised to me. And I believe that it is critical that we have a transition plan or a transition guideline to ensure that our mothers and our children can access care even during the transition process.
Thank you. Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. CS nominee Debra, I see you have very good experience from your professional background and having worked in the private sector in healthcare. And one of the issues that probably might have come to attention is the ills that bedevil the defunct